Here's a 2016 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds the Honda Civic has long been one of the better driving cars in its class, and this tradition continues with the latest version's precise, well-weighted steering and confident handling. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.